perfect storm ripped off the roof a homeowner in Oklahoma thought, no worries, insurance will cover it. But then they got a check for only half the repair cost. The roof replacement was estimated at $10,000, but their policy was actual cash value, which means depreciation was deducted. The insured only paid about $5,000, so they had to pay the rest out of pocket, thousands more than expected. Had they had replacement cost coverage, they would have gotten enough to fully replace the roof. Actual cash value means lower premium, but it can also cost you big times when disaster strikes. Replacement costs a bit more, but it protects you fully. So don't wait for the next storms. Check your policy now. If it says actual cash value, ask your agent about upgrading. So follow for more real insurance tips.